close my eyes and the prospect started. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights and see the party, the bargain. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know, you are Romeo, you are throwing pebble, and my daddy said away from Juliet, and I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. The rabbit do is right. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet cause we dead if they knew. So close our eyes, it's got this sound for a while. You are Romeo, was a scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is fun. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me from telling how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's still real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, oh, oh. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. It is in my head, I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You never have to do me alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talk to your dad, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. We were both young when I first saw you. Thank you.